We have fear. So that was part of the division, the part of the duality that was created. We created a shift up here into two lobes. So we have to come back to that time. It's gonna get back to that, but it's gonna be a long journey. Because we're coming to a time of influence of spirit. Way back when the way you think now, you cannot comprehend how it was back then. You look at children, you wonder why children are so happy and so full of enlightenment. You know why? Because they don't have a job. They don't have a cell phone. They don't have a TV, you know. They don't have any of these things to worry about. So they're just like, they're having fun. So at that time of the child's mind, the original mind, the mind of purity, that's what we need to get back to. Get back to the ways of nature.
For more information on the next Star Knowledge Conference, go to starknowledgeconference.com.